Hi guys, welcome back here in my channel. So today we're going to do unboxing on this small box here. So I just received this the other day. Made in USA. So this is a pull chain bracelet seahorse 14K GP gold plated. And this one is the match of that. This is the pull chain necklace, which is also a seahorse, guys. Yeah, that's seahorse. So this is a made in America. So this is a pull chain necklace seahorse 14K GP. So this is made in USA, not made in China. So they put it out from the box. So this is the box. Alex and Annie. So I got 3 boxes here. I wish they put more. A seahorse. This one the bracelet, which is matching that. Actually, I want to order some bracelet on this one, but since they don't have that time when I order online, so I just got the earrings. So that will be match on this, and this one will be match too. So yeah, that's it guys. So I got 4 boxes here of Alex and Annie. So thank you for watching. Till next time.
Meanwhile,
So after I unboxed my Alex and Annie, so I just ordered this one online. And it's a Levi's. This is for my husband. So we're going to open this one, guys. So it just arrived this one today. So I ordered 2 pairs of pants for him. So let's open. There you go, guys. So he used to wear 501, only 501, because he don't like a zipper, so he like button. Yep. Really nice, very light. I like light. I don't like heavy one. Go Levi's 501. Since I still have pants, so this is the price. 69.50, but I got 20% off and free shipping for this one. So yep, that's it guys. So thank you for watching for my unboxing for today. So enjoy shopping. Bye.
Ultra Safe Jump Starter. No-co. I figured better. My battery is going on 4 years old, and yeah, Still no problem with the battery, but I know that's going to change. So I went and got this NOCO Boost HD.
Yep, we bought that yesterday in
Yeah.
Littleville. And it's more cheaper in Walmart than in Amazon because I already checked there.
8-liter gas engine to a 6-liter diesel engine. Man, I don't know. I think diesel engine like 6.6 or something like that. So, but
Let's do unboxing.
maybe I could keep thieves, maybe. I mean that ain't good at all. Wow. Well,
Wow.
could have slid right out the bottom.
Nice box. $180.
I mean, it's heavy.
Oh my goodness, it's heavy. Oh.
Charge it to your cigarette light.
Oh, there's a light. That's for emergency.
Yeah.
So here, guys, you got a USB so you can charge. So we're just using our Samsung adapter here.
Okay,
Since there's no included
there's where
adapter.
this one plugs in.
So this one you can charge in your car. Yeah, this is one for that. And this one is for that.
No. Oh, you got the small one?
Then charge it over there.